Course navigation. There are two main ways to get around a course: the navigation drawer and the breadcrumbs link. The navigation drawer. The navigation drawer gives links to course content and other areas of the site. Click on the vertical ellipsis at the top left of your course to open the navigation drawer. The navigation drawer opens. Your current location is highlighted. There are many links here. Your dashboard or a unit in your course are just two places you can go. Click on a different link to move to that page. I'll choose a unit, Candidate Link 4. To make more room on the screen, I'll click on the vertical ellipsis on the navigation drawer to close it. The Breadcrumbs Menu. The Breadcrumbs Menu gives you quick links to show you where you are in the course. It acts like a map. Every time that you click on a link in your course, a new breadcrumb will be added to the Breadcrumbs menu. This shows you are on the course homepage for Link 4. This shows you are on the Canada Link 4 unit page of the Link 4 course. This shows you are on the Government Poll activity, on the Canada Link 4 unit, on the Link 4 course. To return to the unit page or the course homepage, just click on a link in the breadcrumb menu.